Okay guys, on number 7 we're talking about a rectangle. It's always good to draw our little picture of a rectangle. And it says the length of a rectangle, so this value right here, is 5 less than 3 times the width. So if I took the width and times it by 3 and minus 5, that would equal my length. My width, which would just be width. And I know it's a rectangle, so if this side is 3w minus 5, I know that this side is also 3w minus 5. And since this is the width, this side is also the width. Now I know if I take the width, which is 3w minus 5, and the other width, so I add an additional 3w minus 5, and I add the w, which is this width, and then I add this w, which is the other width, it will have a perimeter of 70 feet. So let's take a step back really quickly. The perimeter is always the distance around the outside of a shape. So for instance, this right here, if I added the length, the width, the length again, and the width, that is my perimeter. So if I added up all those values, I would get up to 70. So now that I know what they equal in terms of variables, I can solve by combining like terms. So 3w plus 3w plus w plus w is 8w. If I had negative 5 with a negative 5, that's minus 10, and that is going to equal 70. If I add 10 on both sides, that'll give me 8w is equal to 80. And if I divide both sides by 8, that is going to give me w equals 10. So that means since w equals 10, that's what these sides equal, 10 and 10. And then the length is 3 times 10 minus 5. 3 times 10 is 30, minus 5 equals 25. That means both lengths are 25. And we can double check. 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 10 is 60, plus 10 again is 70. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know.